this video, we'll take you through setting up Mobicip on your Mac computers. Before you begin, sign up for a Mobicip account from the parent app on your device or the Mobicip website. Download Mobicip for Mac from the Mobicip website onto your Mac. Launch the installer and complete the installation by following the instructions. Once the installation is complete, Mobicip for Mac will open up and you will need to log in with your Mobicip account credentials. Accept the data disclosure agreement. We recommend you to be the administrator on the Mac computer and assign a standard account to your child for monitoring. This prevents your child from uninstalling Mobicip on the device, and if you and your child use the same Mac device, Mobicip screen time settings will apply only to the account on which the filtering has been set up. Choose your child's Mac user account for which you wish to set up Mobicip parental controls. Connect the Mobicip child user to the Mac user account. Repeat this process for all the Mac child accounts on the computer. Click on the complete setup and wait for the setup to finish. The device is now secured by Mobicip and is ready to use. You can manage and customize your child user settings from your Mobicip account either on the Mobicip app on your device or by logging into mobicip.com. As always, our support team is on standby to assist you with the setup, or if you have any other questions, please reach out to us by sending us an email or setting up a call on mobicip.com/support. Thank you for choosing Mobicip.